Okay, this bottom graph here is conductivity. It's a measure of electrical current. And I've got a probe here. If you can see it, let me stretch it out as far as I can. Here, I've got a few probes. This probe has a little metal on the end, a little metal probe on the end of it that measures electrical current through a solution. So I'm just going to put it in this pure water, and I'm going to press collect. And you'll see the graph start to fill in here at about, I don't know, 550 microsiemens per centimeter. So it's a very low current there of electricity that's traveling through that probe. But what if I take some salt and put it in the water? Okay, watch my graph as I add sodium and chloride to the water. The water molecule pulls them apart, so the sodium ion is attracted to the positive, or the negative side of the water molecule, the chlorine ion to the positive side. Now see how that conductivity increased? All I did was add salt to water, but I formed ions. I formed sodium ion, cation, and chlorine anion, and they're very more efficient at passing electrical current through the solution than just pure water is. That's why you see that conductivity graph spike so much right here. Here's where I added, this is before I added the salt. Okay, it was flatlining at about 550 microsiemens. Then I added the salt. Now it's up 21,000, over 21,000 microsiemens per centimeter, okay, because of those ions in solution. So that's a good illustration of how good of a solvent water is. Okay, now the salt that I put in there would be the solute, S-O-U-L-T. Okay, the solute is the salt, the water is the solvent. And together they make a solution. So I made a solution of salt water by adding the salt, the solute, to the solvent, the water, and made a solution, and it conducts electricity very well because of those ions. Okay? So that's a good illustration of the polarity of water. I've got another one I want to show you. This one is an illustration of hydrogen bonding. So let me change probes again here. Two different probes out at one time here. All right, let me stop that one and start a new graph here.